Hello and welcome to I for Developers. I'm Chaitanya. Today's lesson is titled Introduction to Neural Networks. The building blocks of deep learning. Simple analogy. Imagine a network of gossiping friends. Each friend, a neuron, receives information, input, from others and decides whether to share it further, based on how strongly they believe it. This spreading of information is how a neural network processes data. Each neuron is like a simple function in your code. It takes inputs, data, applies a calculation, weighing the importance of each input, and produces an output, a decision, yes or no. Think of it as an if-else statement with many inputs. The gossip between friends represents connections. Each connection has a weight, how much influence one friend has on another. Stronger connections have higher weights. Just like stronger relationships in your code might have higher importance. Friends often group together, forming circles, layers. In a neural network, layers organize neurons. The first layer receives initial information. The middle layers process it, and the final layer produces the final output, the conclusion of the gossip. Imagine initially, the friends gossip randomly. Training is like showing them correct information repeatedly. They adjust the weights of their connections based on how often they get the gossip right. This is how the network learns to accurately process data. Each neuron has an activation function, its decision-making process. It decides whether to pass on the information based on the weighted inputs. This is like a specific calculation or logic gate in your program. Imagine recognizing a cat. The first layer analyzes pixels. The middle layers find edges and shapes. And the final layer identifies cat based on the information passed along. Each layer's output becomes the input to the next layer. Deep learning is simply having many layers in a neural network, like having many overlapping friend circles to process complex information. The more layers, the more complex patterns it can learn. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.